Hi guys, so this is gonna be a mini vlog about my experience on Luzon Champs. On the way, papunta sa competition, nasiraan yung kotse ko.
Hi guys, sasiraan yung kotse na dinadrive ko on the way. Papuntang competition. What is... Nalobat yung battery niya. Hindi siya nag-on. Anyway, tumawag ako ng emergency. Magpapadala. Sana umabot ako sa 4x4.
Kinakabahan ako kasi magfo-4 na nun and hanggang 4:30 PM lang yung first round ng 4x4. My average wasn't great. Literal na pagkadating dun sa venue, diretsong solve. So, sinabi ko na lang sa sarili ko, okay lang, may next round pa naman. Next event is 5x5 which I care a little bit more about kasi 5x5 has only one parity. Sa 4x4 kasi may RNG ng dalawa. Anyways, I got a sick 101 single which is pretty cool. Sana makakuha na ako ng sub 1 official single soon. Afternoon is 4x4 finals from 42 seconds of round 1. I got a 37-second average ng round 2. So in reality, warm-up and nerves really affect yourselves. Sa 4x4 round 2, magkatabi pala yung stations namin ni Yuan. So nag-decide kami mag-race officially. And kung sino yung mas mabilis, makakakuha ng Yum Burger. So may utang pa si Yuan sa akin kasi nakakuha siya ng DNF.
Wala, mas mabilis yung manok ko.
In addition, I broke my 4x4 PR and got a 32.55 single. Sana makakuha na ako ng sub 30 single soon and sub 35 average. 5x5 finals wasn't so great. I was so hungry. Note to self na magdala ka na ng snacks next time para meron kang kinakain in between rounds. Kasi nagsasolve ako and literally yung naiisip ko lang is gusto ko ng Yum Burger or gusto ko kumain. Next is Quan. I just started practicing ulit. I was sub 30 before and right now I'm trying to get sub 20. I got a 22-second average and a 17-second single which is pretty cool kasi I think 5 alks lang yung alam ko. And from cube shape, scallop kite lang yung alam ko. Okay, day 2. Thankfully, this time hindi ako nasiraan ng kotse. I got there early and 4th wave pa ako so I had time to spare. I was trying to figure out if Super Aulong or Saocube Tianma X3 highest variant yung gagamitin ko. I then decided na Saocube na lang yung gagamitin ko because I felt a bit more nervous and yung Saocube Tianma is set up a bit slower kasi yung Super Aulong is gagamitin ko lang if like nasa peak turning style ako because it's quite fast. Anyways, using the Saocube Tianma, best cube under 1K, check out my showcase. I got a 9.5 second average. I couldn't believe na like nag-i-improve pa rin ako. I was really happy with this solve. After the third solve that I got on 11, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, bawal na ako magkamali ulit kasi magiging counting na siya. So, in the next two solves, binagalan ko yung turning ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, I just need to turn well and be efficient. Hindi ko kailangan mag-spam ng TPS and I can still get a sub 10 average. And thankfully, I even got a sub 9.5 second which secured my average at the end. After that was lunch, mega, and then squan final. We got terrible cube shape sa scramble. So, I did worse kasi hindi ko alam yung gagawin sa mga cube shape na yun. I just spam scallop kite on everything and ayun, yun yung nakuha ko. I got a 25 second average and a 17 single which you know, like maybe sign na yun para mag-practice talaga and i-drill ko talaga yung square 1 algs. 2x2 first round wasn't great. I got a 4.02 average which is slower than the 3x3 world record average. Nice. Next was 3x3 second round and oh boy, was this a reminder na like mag-focus ka dun sa mga solves mo. Okay, before this competition, I haven't met Janus or Janus. He's the national record holder for the Megamix and I've met him before on previous competitions but this is really the first time kung saan nagkausap lang kami. He's a homie, nag-usap kami, nagbangayan, nag-asaran before solve na like, bida-bida ka lang naman kaya ka nagko-color neutral type.
Tinalo. Mabilis ka pala. Hindi nga mo pala
Wala nang total, like friendly banter ganun. And hindi ako nakapag-focus at nakakuha ko ng +2 which resulted to me not having a sub 10 average. Kaya hindi ako nakapasok sa final. Which is still fine by me, you know. If I can have a new friend and more fun in a competition, I wouldn't really mind a slightly slower average. Kasi in reality, guys, you aren't really competing with anyone unless like sub 7. Top speed cuber ka talaga ng Pinas. You are just there for yourself and for you to have fun with other people. For 3x3 100, I couldn't remember a single thing. Like, I didn't really prepare anything. I got a sub 20 average, which is really cool. And a 16-second single. 2x2 second round, I broke my personal record and I was only using Ortega. That's only 8 to 10 algs, guys. So, kayang-kaya nyo rin yun. Those are my last event that I cared for the day but gusto ko bigyan ng shoutout si Kat and Crimson. Si Kat is a Rue user and if you think na nagpa-practice ka enough, you are not. Kasi nag-average of 500 siya every day sa OH, kaya ganun siya kabilis mag-improve. So, shoutout to Kat. And to Crimson na going into the last solve, I think yung best possible average niya is better than the Asian record. So, if he could have gotten a faster last solve, he could have gotten the Asian record average. But unfortunately, it was an 11. So, it's fine. Kayang-kaya ni Crimson yun. Maraming competition pa ang dadating ngayong 2026 for him to break it. By the way, guys, in between these rounds, merong mga nagpapapicture sa akin. And if you ever just see me in the competition, lapitan nyo lang at sabihin, uy, kuya, uy, pa-picture. Or like, wait, picture tayo. Like my homie. Okay, day 3. I was 10 minutes late sa FMC kasi bumili ako sa Dunkin' Donuts ng Choco Butternut at iced coffee. Pero that's besides the point. Gusto ko ipakita tong solution na nakuha ko. So this is the scramble, right? I did yellow cross. The cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So I did U, F prime to put the yellow red there. And then L prime. And then R2 to put the yellow blue over here. But before doing my last B to put the yellow orange over here, I did a U first to preserve this pair. So U and then B. And then I fixed my cross at the end, D. So I got here right. I'll rotate to orange so that the reconstruction could be seen easier. So I'll try to insert this green and orange while trying to cancel from this green and red F12 pair. So I did U2. I will insert this first because this orange and green will remain solved. So RU, R2, U prime, R2, cancel 2, inserting to this. And for the last two, I have this blue and red 3 mover, and I can also cancel to this blue and orange F12 pair. So I can do L, U, L2 to cancel to the blue and orange, and then solve. That was a 20 move F12. After that, unfortunately, I couldn't find a good finish. I tried spamming every solution, orienting edges and everything, trying out soon or like Niklas, but nothing was working. So I just ended up with doing this ALG and then doing a G-perm because it was the shortest. Yeah, I got the 42 at the end. That is actually the last event of the events I cared about. There's also 2x2 final and Pyraminx, but I don't really practice those, so I didn't get the best average. But I did watch the finals of 3x3. And this is a reminder to you guys na like, even yung mga cubes released 1 to 2 years ago are still viable for the competition. A finalist is a GAN12, RS3M V5, which is considered a budget cube, pero sobrang ganda nyo pa rin. And almost half use a Weilong version 10, which isn't even the latest release, the V11, but they just prefer the V10 more kasi mas controllable siya. Anyways, for 3x3 finals, ang gagaling nila. Grabe si Uno. Almost naka sub 7 average na siya. Siya pala yung 2x2 NR holder natin, guys. And I think he isn't even 10 years old. And then for the first place, it came down to the wire sa solves ni Brenton and Crimson. Kung saan yung last solve was a decider kung sino yung magiging Luzon champion. Nanalo si Crimson with a 6.08 average. Congrats to everyone who've competed. And if hindi ka pa nakakapag-compete sa isang official WCA competition, I recommend you to do so. Just head on to the WCA website and then check for competitions that are nearby to your area. Most likely in the year of 2026, may at least isang competition na malapit sa area mo. Ayun lang guys, that's all, and I hope to see more of you guys soon. Bye-bye! Peace!